Bayasong ang tini norok no lamsogo random amazing facts ni part 1 to o series o ang norok no world ni random facts sawi khnari nai tei tini khe ang norok no funuk nai technology ni facts. Hello, ani khajani Bayasong ang naidi ano kok borok facts channel norok o channel o buini selai juda kok borok facts saiman nai. Fact 1 Bayasong norok saidaman data ni bo uzon tongo norok thik no khnawi tongo chini mobile te computer ro je data tongo jemon photo fano video fano te document borong ni bo uzon eba hilikmani tongo norok mokok khnawi wana jaknai whole world to internet to tongnai joto data ni hilikmani eba uzon only 50 grams se. Fact number 2 Norok wasapano mokok chongui denai kha korti keyboard means je keyboard chung SMS rok reply khlaina bagui use khlaio oro joto alphabet tamoni bagui mix means ABCD tamoni bagui kaisa line to ni jagya because je furu puila typewriter sramjak furu afuru keyboard ni joto alphabet no kaisa line to si toni jakmani but aboni bagui typewriter dakti na hamya ngui thango because joto borok rok no dakti speed to type khlaimani bagui a jorani typewriter ni mechanism dakti no jam ngui hamya ngui thango amtui haitang thun hinui basically borok ne typing speed no kom khlai rina bagui joto alphabet no mix khlai rijakka je aboni bagui borok rok dakti type khlai taman thun tei hamyata thun hinui jora change ngui thangka ketal technology phaika but to bafano a khusam pattern no choliu tongko keyboard. Fact number 3 Bayasong norok saimano computer current means electricity energy by se choliu but norok saidaman 1936 BC o Soviet Russia o kaisa computer sramjak ka je tui by se choliu a computer kaisa hall room su kotor tongmani tei a computer no chalokna bagui aro nangjak liver tei combination tuini pressure tei fan by abono chalokjak mani. Fact number 4 Bayasong norok saidaman mobile computer eba jesa pen drive tei SD card memory device ni kuno file data no completely move te delete khlai maiya norok thik no khnawi tongo tabuk norok hai hinano move te delete ni option tamoni bagui rijak ka Bayasong ang norok no sawi riwano move te delete khlai ma ulo a file only register ni simise norjak tui ngei thango but a file aro tongkho shadow file ngei tei a file no bo tesa recovery bo khlai mano jesuk jora tui a space overwrite khlai ya sak. Fact number 5 Chung sal brum Google lo samung nangka hinike joto manui no search khlai naiyo norok saidaman whole world ni borok rok daily Google lo 3500 crore bar search khlai juda manui eba samung khlai jago. Fact number 6 Bayasong norok mokok khnawi wana jaknai video game thungka hinke chini bemar rok dakti no thik ngo abo mentally bemar fano ngui mano eba physically bemar fano bideso onek hospital no aro ni patient rok no video game muthungjago abo ni bagui borok ni brain gobang active ngui tongo tei bithi ni samung bo dakti no kam khlaio. Fact number 7 Bayasong sung daily no onek rokom ni text message khlai layo friends rok bai tei sung onek rokom ni emoji rok bo use khlai layo but bahai ungno chung message ni logi smell means bahai bo send khlai man khai abo bo chini mobile bai mo concept ni basis bai biomedical engineer David Edward mungni borok sramka ofun mungni kaisa mobile aboni samung bai jesa borok fano kaisa ofun ni simite kaisa ofun o smell means bahai sen khlai mano abo khumni bahai fano ngui mano eba chamung ni bahai fano but kuno kaisa problem ni bagui mo phone marketo ongkhorliya. Fact number 8 Phantom vibration syndrome Bayasong norok waisa fano phatchake haidama tongje norok ni phone vibrate ngui tongkha call rok phaikana hinai but jefru norok mobile no pocket ni kariu nayo afru phone o kunuse call phaiya mo kaisa syndrome se tei mo tabuk ni jorawa smartphone use khlainai borok rok ni hai ungo mono no phantom vibration syndrome hinjago. baya song mono ungka technology ni facts video chajak hengka norok like share khlainai tapok baidi te bamti he random facts naina muchungka hengke norok comment part 2 cd tei khatal phaina rok ani kubuni video bonai nai baidi tei channel no subscribe khlai bell icon sini ridi jotono kaham tong baidi malai phine norok bai khatal video wa